Hello and welcome to Brass Tacks. Coming to you live from the CNN News 18 and Federal Bank Primetime Studio. I'm Zakir Jacob. There is huge controversy brewing in West Bengal. It began with Chief Mamata Banerjee saying that some religious persons involved with Hindu organizations like the Ramakrishna Mission, the Bharat Sevashram Sangh, were acting like the agents of the BJP. One person that she referred to by name is a gentleman called Kartik Maharaj. He has now threatened the Chief Minister with a defamation suit and said that she should withdraw her comments. The Chief Minister is sticking to her guns against the charges that she made against Kartik Maharaj, saying that she was not targeting any institution, but only certain individuals like Kartik Maharaj, who she continues to say is acting at the behest of the BJP. The BJP has once again said that this shows Mamata Banerjee's Hindu Virodhi mindset. Does that charge hold? And is this further polarizing the pitch in the last leg, where about half a dozen odd seats in Bengal, particularly in Kolkata and wider Kolkata, will be voting in the next two phases?
বলল কার্তিক মহারাজ বলেছে তৃণমূলের এজেন্টকে আমরা বসতে দেব না। আপনি বিজেপি করে দাঁড়ান।
মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রী উনি যেটা বলেছিলেন, আমাকে প্রমাণ চেয়েছি, আমি কোন জায়গায় আমি বলেছি, কোন বুথ থেকে আমি সেই কর্মীকে সরিয়ে দেওয়ার কথা বলেছি এবং সরিয়ে দেওয়া হয়েছে আমার কথায়।
यहाँ की सीएम मंच पर से इन महान संस्थाओं को धमका रही है। अपने वोट बैंक को खुश करने के लिए टीएमसी सरकार हद पार कर रही है। हमारे संतों का ये अपमान बंगाल कभी भी सहन नहीं करेगा।
All right, we'll be joined in a moment by National Spokesperson Sanju Verma of the BJP, Professor Manojit Mandal, political analyst, somebody who supports the TMC, will also be joining us. Shikha Mukherjee is a senior journalist, and Gargi Nandi Roy, political analyst, also joining us. Shikha Mukherjee, let me start with you first. Why? All right, I believe Sanju Verma and Manojit Mandal have also joined us. Manojit Mandal, let me start with you first. Why is Mamata Banerjee targeting Hindu organizations like the Ramakrishna Mission, the Bharat Sevashram Sangh? If she has problems with individuals within these organizations, then the law and order machinery is hers, the police is hers, she's the Chief Minister of Bengal. If she has evidence to show that any of these people were involving in criminal activities that are against the law and order of the state, then please go ahead and take action against them. But by saying that some individuals within these religious organizations are acting like agents of the BJP, the Chief Minister willy-nilly is targeting these organizations. And these organizations, whether you like it or not, and you're from there, Professor, you don't need me to tell you this, organizations like Ramakrishna Mission, Bharat Sevashram Sangh are extremely not just popular, but also very venerated organizations. Their contribution to Bengal society is etched in golden letters.
No, first of all, I think there is a lack of transmission as far as the issue about Ramakrishna Mission is concerned, because one of their seminal monks, as it were, Swami Paramananda Maharaj ji has issued statement, a video statement. I can play that video. He's giving thumping approbation to Mamata Banerjee's actions in the matter. Rather, he's also condemning this Maharaj by the name of, I forgot the name of this Bharat Sevashram Maharaj. I don't even want to remember his name, because everyone knows that he is the political agent of BJP. Now, if he feels that it is not true, let him disprove. This person, in fact, is stopped, openly said that he won't allow TMC agents to sit in the booths of Purulia. This Kartik Maharaj or whatever Maharaj, and let us not deceive ourselves by saying that Jaka that in the name of quote unquote Maharaj Charcha or Sannyasi Raj, some of the BJPs are already in the parliament. Shakshi Maharaj is one of them. You call them Maharaj. Pragya Singh Thakur, you call them Sadhvi. She was accused of terrorism. The facts even that they are not targeting Hindus. They're targeting some individual or rather exposing, not even targeting. We knew that these people were doing these things.
Okay, now one second before I bring others in.
Simply,
No, Professor Mandal, one second. If the contention, hear me out. If the contention of the Chief Minister is that this gentleman, Mr. Kartik Maharaj, spread whatever violence in Rajinagar, or he was responsible for not allowing TMC polling agents, whatever it is, whatever the charge that she is making, right? And I spoke to Kartik Maharaj. I'll play out that interview at the end of this debate. I asked him this question as well. He said, I'm issuing an open challenge to the Chief Minister. If she has video proof or if she has any kind of proof, the police is hers, the law and order machinery is hers, she de facto is the Home Minister of the state as well, the police reports to her. Why does she not ask the police to lodge an FIR, take action against Kartik Maharaj?
Can I answer that question? When did this happen, Jaka? This happened during the Ram Navami celebration when the law and order machinery was under the Election Commission. They removed that particular SP from that area of Rajinagar. I mean, have some proper transmission of facts, Jaka. You are such a celebrated anchor in India.
No. One second. Your contention is he's a political agent. He's been acting at the behest of the BJP. What about the time? A model code is coming to effect only from March. What about the time before that? The police was reporting to the Chief Minister.
These particular riots happened during the Ram Navami procession when Election Commission Code of Conduct was already
but your contention is he didn't become a BJP agent just 3 weeks ago, right?
Look.
No, your contention is that he didn't become a BJP agent just 3 weeks ago.
Can I speak? You are a
and by the way, Professor, let me remind you and let me also remind our viewers that if a crime happens, even when the model code is in play, and even when the Election Commission has oversight of law and order, if a crime takes place, if a murder takes place, are you telling me murder case won't be registered by the police? So please don't give us this fictitious thing that EC is responsible.
It will happen.
No. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't buy that argument.
There are so many.
Let me ask Sanju Verma. Okay, Sanju Verma, please respond. I spoke to Mr. Kartik Maharaj. One second. Let me ask him. Mr. Kartik Maharaj is using the exact same language as any BJP spokesperson. And I don't have a problem with it. Nobody should have a problem with it. The problem is this. Then please say that you're a political appointee. So please say you're a political agent. That's what the TMC is saying. He is using the exact same language that Sanju Verma uses.
Oh my God. Zaka, today you've decided you're going to make life difficult for me. But on a more serious note, I just have good to see you at 9 p.m. Zaka. As an audience, we were missing you on Brass Tacks. Coming to the moot point, let me take the bull by the horns. I'm not going to, shove things under the carpet. First and foremost, I'm glad you mentioned this because, there is this whole cottage industry which keeps coming on television debates and says, oh, if there's a problem in West Bengal right now, you ask questions to the Election Commission, they are accountable because Abhito Model Code of Conduct is in play. Article 324 right up till Article 328 of the Constitution clearly says the Election Commission's job is to ensure free and fair elections, but that does not mean that the law and order apparatus, the law and order machinery ceases to be under the aegis of the ruling state dispensation, in this case Mamata Banerjee, and by virtue of being not only the Chief Minister but the de facto Home Minister, and by virtue of law and order being a state subject under the 7th schedule of the Constitution, Mamata Banerjee is responsible, period. Do not try and shove things onto the Election Commission. And if Mamata Banerjee feels that Kartik Maharaj is indeed engaging in violence or was responsible for what happened on Ram Navami, she should have filed an FIR and brought him to book. So now, in hindsight, Ram Navami was all the way between April 17th and April 19th. We Hindus celebrated for 2 to 3 days with pomp and gaiety. Now suddenly in May, almost after a month, you've woken up and realized that Kartik Maharaj needs to be held accountable. This stinks of nothing but vote bank appeasement politics because she wants Muslim consolidation and mind
Zaka,
you.
you are not intervening. Can
Can
I
I
even
please
intervene?
finish?
No, one second,
Zaka,
one
I
second,
did not
one second.
heckle
Let her
you.
finish. Yeah, let her
I'm
finish.
just finishing my
One
point.
second.
You are
Sir, let her
completely
finish,
mad.
sir,
Can I
please.
even
I will.
intervene?
One second. Let her finish. Let her finish.
She is
I want to
going
say
on
one
and
very
on.
interesting. Arey, Mr. Mandal, you will also get
What is
opportunity
what
to
is
go
Mrs.
on and
Verma?
on. Thank
No,
you.
I don't get
Thank
this.
you.
I don't get this kind of.
Arey,
I'm hindered.
अरे
Zaka, what is
सर,
this?
आप 2 minute तो दे दो. Let her make a point. I am asking a counter
I
question
don't
also.
even
Yes,
get
1 second.
20 seconds.
Yes,
unhindered
thank you.
Yes,
opportunity
yes,
to
yes.
debate.
One
Arey,
second.
bhai
One second.
sahab.
Yeah. Sanju Verma.
Thank you. Zaka, I don't know if you've noticed one thing. I have noticed this. You know, Mamata Banerjee makes these incendiary statements at very chosen occasions and in certain districts where the Muslim population
Strong
is
objection.
in majority. I
Strong-
will tell you this.
strong objection.
Zaka,
Condemn
this
her
is not a way to
statement on
debate. I
TV.
did not heckle him.
Ma-
You are
Mondal
not-
Saab,
this is
Mondal
not
Saab,
fair.
why are you making me do this? I mean, I don't like putting people's
You do not
leaders
allow
down.
me to
Let
heckle.
her please make a point. उसके बाद मैं आपके पास वापस आ जाऊंगा.
Please remember
Thank
that.
you.
Sir.
Yeah.
You know, I don't do this to anyone, and I don't think, Zaka, I am mollycoddled on your shows. You are very blunt with me. I expect that, you know, you will extend the same kind of blunt courtesies to Mr. Mondal also. Let me tell you one thing. I have noticed one thing about Mamata Banerjee. Each time she says that, what did she say on Ram Navami? Do you remember? I remember her exact words. अरे रामनवमी के दिन में ये हिंदू लोग सब दंगा करता है, ये लोग सब दंगाबाज है, ये रामनवमी का अवसर इन लोगों के लिए दंगाबाजी का दिन है. लेट दीज पीपल बी हैप्पी बाय शाउटिंग जय श्री राम. इनका जो दंगाबाजी का स्लोगन है जय श्री राम, ये बोलने दो.
Okay.
How dare a Hindu-phobic Mamata Banerjee equate
promised,
Jai Shri
sir.
Ram with Gundaism?
I'll take 20
How dare
seconds
she
to expose
equate
this.
Jai Shri Ram with hooliganism?
Okay.
Why on earth are you going on heckling me, Mr. Mandal? Each time I make a valid point, you're heckling. I need my 20 seconds more. Please understand, Mamata
Your
Banerjee
channel, your
undermined
channel.
the credibility of Ramakrishna Mission at a rally in Murshidabad, which has a 67.3% Muslim population. Earlier, she undermined Hindus at Uttar Dinajpur with a 49.9% Muslim population. Is it a coincidence? Each time
Okay.
she goes to Uttar Dinajpur
Okay,
or
Mr.
Murshidabad,
Mondal, please
she
respond
slams Hindus.
uninterrupted.
No, no.
30
First of all,
seconds.
I
and then I have
felt
to go to
busy.
Shikha Mukherjee and to
I
Gargi
felt
Roy.
busy about the level of transmission of information. Arey, Murshidabad has already gone for election. She doesn't need to do this. I mean, it is you and your prime minister is every other day coming and playing divisive politics.
He's your
And
prime
thank-
minister also.
Arey, what is
He's
your
your
problem
prime
now?
minister
Hang on,
also.
hang on, please keep quiet.
He's
Please
your
keep
prime
quiet.
minister
Please
also.
keep
Okay,
quiet.
He's not just
Sanju
your
Verma,
prime minister.
let him make his
What is
point,
this?
please.
What is
Let him
He's
make his
your
point.
prime minister
Mo-
also.
This is
Professor
the level
Mondal.
of tolerance of
Professor
very
Mondal,
loud and
yeah,
clear.
Professor Mondal, make
This
the
is level of-
meteor point.
I
Make
tell
the,
you,
make
this
the
is
substantive
the
point,
level-
please.
yes,
Please.
Substantive points about intolerance of the fake Hindus like Sanjay Verma and Mr. Narendra Modi. What are you talking
Zaka,
about?
you will allow
I mean,
that to go unchecked?
if you are a Hindu,
Should
you
I
do
call
not
you?
Yeah, but how are you passing, you know,
Obvious.
how are you passing
Obvious.
such
Obvious.
broad
Obvious.
brush
Obvious.
statements
Being a
calling
Hindu?
Sanju
Yes,
Verma fake Hindu
because-
and so on? Come on.
I mean,
I'm
it is-
once
it is-
again appealing to you,
Let-
Professor Mondal, make the substantive point. No personal attacks,
substantive points
please.
about Hinduism. What Mr. Sambit Patra has said, what does Hinduism? That Mr. Jagannath, Lord Jagannath is Modi's bhakt. That is
Oh my
Hinduism
God,
for
he's
you.
already
He's
admitted
deviating,
that
he's
he's
He
slipping
has
the tongue.
apologized
But
for
that
it. He has
Jagannath
said it's a
Modi
slip
has
of the
apologized
tongue.
for it.
Come back to the
And
issue at
Namo-
hand. The issue at
Namo-
hand
Namo-
is
Namo- no, hang
what
on,
is it
hang
that
on.
prompted Mamata Banerjee, the Chief Minister of Bengal,
Mamata Banerjee,
to make
Chief
this
Minister
attack
of
on
Bengal.
certain
Yes,
individuals
Zaka, please let me come.
who are religious figures, who
She
belong
had
to religious
religion.
organizations?
When
Yes.
really when you use and weaponize religion for a particular political party, these people needs to be exposed. I think Mamta, the people of India should thank Mamta Di for exposing whatever is
Expose
Turkey.
mullahs and
I don't
maulanas.
even call him Maharaj. He's
Expose
Okay.
the
Turkey.
mullahs and
Gar-
He's
maulanas.
Turkey.
Gargi,
And he has
Zaka,
been
please,
Gargi,
Expose
Gargi
and
Nandi
thank
Roy,
God for
the
him.
Mullah
Gargi
You call
Nandi
him
Roy,
Maharaj?
again,
Huh.
the
Shame on
attack,
this Maharaj.
by the BJP against Mamata Banerjee is, she is saying this, in places where the Muslim population
Look at the level
is
of
bigger.
language that he uses for the
They're
Chief
also
Minister.
alleging that
He's
she
a-
is doing this to consolidate the Muslim vote bank. Now, the issue is that I spoke to Kartik Maharaj, and I'll play this out in the later part of this debate, once this debate gets over. he is saying that there are districts in Bengal which are like Pakistan. Now, if he can use that language, then he should also face the language that Mamata Banerjee is using against him.
Zaka, thank you for inviting. Let me give rebuttal to Monojit Da point by point. First of all, Zaka, what did Kartik Maharaj do? Why is Mamata Banerjee angry with Kartik Maharaj? There are several reasons. Now, first of all, Kartik Maharaj had organized a protest against that threat issued by Mamata Banerjee's blue-eyed boy, the TMC MLA of Murshidabad, Humayun Kabir. And what did he say? That in Murshidabad there is 70% Muslims and only 30% Hindus, so they can chop Hindus and drown them in the water of Bhagirathi. What has happened to Humayun Kabir? Nothing. So Kartik Maharaj had conducted a protest against that, and rightfully so, because being a monk, it is his duty to protect the dharma rakshati rakshitaha. And now there are other reasons. In last few years, Kartik Maharaj has become the face of harmony, service and Sanatan in Bengal. Let me tell you, Zaka, that why is Mamata Banerjee scared? Let me tell you, Kartik Maharaj, please let me. Don't second me,
Mandal Sahab, please, Mandal Sahab, ये क्या है? मतलब you are the only one who's interjecting when others are speaking. Nobody is interjecting when you are speaking. Please let her finish.
Yeah, Monojit, please don't heckle me. Please don't heckle me.
Let's not do this. I've given you ample time. Please allow the others to make their point.
Aurangabad, one at Beldanga, one at Nadia. Please let me make my points. He runs 3 ashrams, and in the Aurangabad ashram, they also run a hospital which gives treatment to all people, including a huge section of Muslims. He runs school where Muslim children come. So Mamata Banerjee felt that there is a section of Muslim who listens to Kartik Maharaj. And let me tell you, why did I say that in last 3 years he has become the face of Sanatan? He organized different events, Sanatan events. After 703 years, the Kumbh Mela was organized at Triveni. And Kartik Maharaj was the president. He carried food and blanket in lorries. Then there was Lokkhakanthe Gita Path. It was a Gita chanting by lakhs, and before that in Mayapur, 5,000 people chanted Gita. All those were organized by Kartik Maharaj. And what did he do? He tried to unite different branches of Hinduism.
Okay.
Where on the same stage, monks of Ramakrishna Mission and Tarapit Tantric were sitting. So Mamata Banerjee felt scared. She felt that some Muslims may listen to Kartik Maharaj because of the service being given, and then some Muslim votes may go to Congress and left. So all this together, she felt the need to divide, and she felt the need to polarize the Muslims.
Okay,
and
let me ask Shikha Mukherjee this. Is it fear of losing the Muslim? Is it fear of losing the Muslim vote, or is it, as the BJP alleges, and they are giving instances where Mamata Banerjee in the past has made comments which can be viewed as anti-Hindu. In January 2024, she said that the BJP is treating Ram Mandir inauguration as their Independence Day. In April 2023, she said, I urge my Hindu brothers to maintain peace during holy month of Ramzan. She's never said, I urge my Muslim brothers to maintain peace during Ram Navami. In March 2023, again she said, urge Ram Navami processions to maintain peace and avoid Muslim areas, as though those Muslim areas are not in Bengal. And of course, the most infamous one in 2019 May, where there were chants of Jai Shri Ram, and she came out of her car and started saying that these are abusive outsiders. A series of instances where the Chief Minister of Bengal has seemingly made anti-Hindu comments. That's why the BJP is saying that she has an anti-Hindu mindset. Shikha Mukherjee.
Anti-Hindu mindset? What does that mean? I don't even understand it.
All these comments exemplify that.
No, I don't think so. I think there is a politics to it, and let's stick to the politics of it. Anti-Hindu is not something that I can judge on. Frankly speaking, that's not what I judge.
No, so all these comments are what? Pro-Hindu?
Yeah, and then
these comments that I just outlisted,
and then of course,
are they pro-Hindu? If they're not anti-Hindu, then what are they?
They're critical of Hindu, of a particular brand of Hinduism.
Okay, one sec. She's not used the word BJP or RSS anywhere. Urge my Hindu brothers to maintain peace.
I mean, Zaka,
urge Ram Navami processions to maintain peace.
And we continuously look at context. If the context is Ram Navami, let me go back to this year, the Calcutta High Court judgment. The case went to the Calcutta High Court. What did the Calcutta High Court say?
No, they allowed the Ram Navami
No,
processions.
they did
The
not.
court did
Just-
the court did not say court did not say no Ram Navami processions.
Permission. Zaka, get your facts right.
No, no, what,
Not
what-
blanket
did the
permission.
court put a
was
blanket
not
ban on
a
Ram Navami
blanket
processions?
permission.
No, can I have
The
Shikha Mukherjee
judge
on
laid
screen,
down
please?
several
Did the
conditions.
Calcutta High
Have a
Court,
look at
ma'am,
it,
put
and
some
then
kind
come
of
to-
blanket
then
stay on
read the
Ram
comments
Navami
about
processions?
Ram
I want to ask you
No,
that.
this is I take this as very biased. Why? Because here was the judge who said he laid down very specific conditions and he expressed his concern that there should be no disturbance of the peace.
No, one second. That is not the same thing. That is not the same thing as what you insinuated earlier.
Made
That
a
somehow
very
all Ram
clear
Navami
reference
processions were,
to the fact
law and
there was
order
likely to be
problems, and that all
some
folks who
problem
were
because
taking
there had
who were
been
taking out Ram
problems
Navami
before.
processions were all thugs. That's the
Ram
insinuation you
Navami
made.
procession is not even important in West Bengal. Why are you going on and on about
No, one
the Ram
second.
Navami?
Did the
What happens in
court allow the
No,
procession to
this
happen or not?
Durga Puja,
It's a simple
Durga
question,
Puja
ma'am.
is the biggest. Is
Did
the biggest
the
Hindu
court
festival
allow Ram
that is-
Navami
that is
processions to
celebrated
go
in
ahead
Bengal?
or not?
And what happens then? Are there any clashes? Is
Shikha
there any
Mukherjee, I'm
problem?
asking you a simple question.
This is ridiculous.
I'm asking you a
Because
very
you are-
simple
you are
question,
making
ma'am.
statements
It is
about
no
the
one's
state and the
contention.
people
It is
as
no
well.
one's contention
It is-
that
it is
that
not
Durga
just
Puja should not be
politics.
celebrated.
If it's
Of course,
only
it should be
politics, then
celebrated.
let's discuss the
Similarly,
politics.
Ram Navami should
Yes,
be
this
celebrated
is-
as well.
this is
And
a
people
very
went to court
polarizing
saying there'll be a
election.
law and order problem.
It has been
And
a
the
very
court said, go
polarizing
ahead with the
campaign.
procession.
And-
It did
and
impose
the-
conditions. I'm
the
not
Prime
saying no.
Minister, as much
But
as
that's not what
everybody
you
else,
insinuated in the first part of your answer. You insinuated as though the court put a blanket ban on the Ram Navami processions. As though
No, it did not.
all people
It
who were
did
taking
not.
out the
Why should
procession
it?
were hooligans.
Why should it? Why
Because
should
that's
you
the
decide
contention
for
you
the
made,
court?
right? What did the
Because
court say?
you-
What did the court
no,
say?
You're being absurd. You're being absurd.
Come on, you made a factual error, and now you are character.
A complete fool of herself on national TV.
I have a few questions for Manojit Mandal. Please, let me come.
Okay, Gargi Nandi Roy wants to respond to Manojit Mandal. Yeah.
I have a question.
Okay, she has a question. Gargi Roy and then Manojit Mandal on screen, please. Yeah.
Even I need to make a
Yeah.
point, Zaka.
Yeah.
Manojit, the first question. What steps have you taken against Humayun Kabir who threatened Hindus? Second question, how is it okay when the imams in Baharampur on 16th April had a meeting for campaigning for Yusuf Pathan? Third question, on 10th of May, there was a press release by Bongio Imam Porishad asking people to vote for the Trinamool. How is that fine?
Okay.
So, and
Manojit
fourth
Mandal respond.
question,
If imams
why
of certain
the Haji
constituencies
Nurul
can
Islam-
openly
last
back
question.
TMC
Why
candidates,
Haji Nurul
why
Islam-
can't Kartik Maharaj back the BJP?
One second, last question, Manojit Da. One second. Why is Haji Nurul Islam, who is accused of Deganga riots, during which Hindu temples and buildings were brought down, he is given the ticket in
Okay,
Bosnia.
fine. Let him
Kindly
respond. No,
answer
let him
these
respond.
four
I'll
specific
leave the Haji
questions.
Nurul Islam this thing aside. But the meteor point she's making is, if Islamic clerics are coming out and saying back this TMC candidate and back that TMC candidate, why is it then such a crime for Kartik Maharaj to come out and say back this BJP candidate?
I tell you one thing. First of all, please stop calling him Maharaj. The kind of language that he uses.
Arey, that's his name,
No,
yeah.
you
I
don't decide.
I can't change your name. No, I have to call you
He-
Manojit Mandal. If his name is Kartik Maharaj, I'll call him Kartik Maharaj. What else can I call him?
Maharaj is, you have no idea about Bengali surname. Maharaj cannot
Okay,
be
go
anyone.
on. Please make the substantive point. I don't
First
know
of
why
all,
you're
he's-
obsessed with these
he's
semantics.
Kartik-
Maybe because you're a
he's
professor of
Kartik-
English, but
Kartik
please go
Patel.
ahead.
I don't know why I am not
Substance
given
over
a chance to
semantics,
rebut.
please.
When do you allow me to even speak?
Yes, I'm
English?
listening. I'm listening.
The fact remains that a religious leader with some idea of renunciation will not use this kind
Oh
of...
my God, what is this?
Oh Allah, now your friend has come in. Oh my God, what is oh my God? Your God is Kartik
Zaka, what's
Maharaj.
wrong with Manojit Mandal
What
today?
happened to you today,
He
sir?
is not our God. There are so many monks, including I show you the Maharaj from Ramakrishna.
Zaka, you will have to allow
They
the
do not
BJP
participate
rebuttal.
in
This cannot be a
They do not
monologue
participate
by
in
Mr.
politics.
Mandal.
This
cannot be a
Okay,
monologue by this
I'm
man.
completely out of time, but Sanju Verma, 30 seconds. I have to
Everybody
completely
should
wrap
accept
up. 30 seconds, please.
Zaka, my limited point is this. Malda riots of 2016, Bhaduria riots of 2017, Asansol riots of 2018 in West Bengal, Jadavpur riots of 2019, Sitakulchi riots of 2021. All these riots at the epicenter were the fact that Mamata Banerjee did not want Hindus to celebrate either Ram Navami or Hanuman Jayanti or Durga Puja.
Okay, we'll have to leave it at that. I'm completely out of time. Really sorry to the guests, but we're completely out of time. It's a truncated debate. I have to play out that portion of the interview that I did with Kartik Maharaj as well. But you're watching Brass Tacks, and we're coming to you live from the CNN News 18 and Federal Bank Primetime studio. Like I said, I spoke to Kartik Maharaj, the man who's at the center of this storm, who was named by Mamata Banerjee, saying that he's acting at the behest of the BJP. And I asked him specifically, why does he support the BJP? And if he's such an ardent sort of supporter of the BJP, why doesn't he just drop the idea of being behind the facade of a religious organization and directly join politics? He's also filed a defamation case against the Chief Minister and said that if she does draw her comments, then he will press for criminal action against her. Listen in to this interview. कार्तिक महाराज जी, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। जो वेस्ट बंगाल के मुख्यमंत्री ममता बनर्जी, उनका मानना ये है और उनका कहना ये है कि उन्होंने कोई इंस्टीट्यूशन को नहीं टारगेट किया, चाहे वो रामकृष्ण मिशन हो, चाहे वो आपके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हो भारत सेवाश्रम संघ। उन्होंने सिर्फ ये कहा, एक दो इंडिविजुअल्स और आपके नाम लेते हुए कहा कि आप भारतीय जनता पार्टी बीजेपी के लिए काम कर रहे हैं। इसको आप कैसे रिस्पॉन्ड करेंगे?
ये भारत सेवाश्रम संघ, आरके मिशन, स्टॉन इस फेमस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बांग्ला में काम कर रहे हैं, ऑल ओवर इंडिया में काम कर रहा है। लेकिन हमारा जो प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी उसको सुनाम किया था, वो जो अच्छे काम कर रहा है, इसमें मीटिंग में बोला था नरेंद्र मोदी वो तो बीजेपी के लीडर नहीं है ना, हमारा देश के प्रधानमंत्री है। देश के प्रधानमंत्री, मैं उसको पास किया था, उनको पास जो हमारा लक्ष्यगंज में गीता पाठ हुआ है ब्रिगेड पैरेड ग्राउंड में, उसी टाइम उनको पास किया था। और जो नरेंद्र मोदी को साथ हमारा जो गुजरात जो हमारा ब्रांच है, सूरत, अहमदाबाद, बहुत दिन से हमारा संपर्क हुआ है। इसीलिए प्राइम मिनिस्टर जो काम कर रहा है, अभी 370 अभी उद्योग किया था, तलाक बंद किया था। अब देश में जो अभी अंदर में जो काम हो रहा है, बहुत अच्छा काम हो रहा है। ये प्रशंसा करने के लिए बोला महात्मा लोग, बीजेपी के लोग प्रचार कर रहा है।
नहीं, लेकिन कार्तिक महाराज जी, मुख्यमंत्री का कहना यह है कि आप तो आध्यात्मिक आदमी हो, आप राजनीतिक व्यक्ति थोड़ी ना हैं। तो आपको अगर बीजेपी को सपोर्ट करना तो सपोर्ट कीजिए, लेकिन ये रिलीजन का जो फसाड है उसको हटाकर आप कीजिए। वो कह रहे हैं कि इफ ही वांट्स टू सपोर्ट बीजेपी, लेट हिम डू इट ओपनली।
मैंने ठीक वो जो बोले थे, लेकिन महात्मा लोग, स्वामी विवेकानंद किया क्या? स्वामी विवेकानंद देश में काम किया, मैन मेकिंग नेशन पे काम कर रहा है, तो आरके मिशन भी काम कर रहा है, भारत सेवाश्रम संघ जो सेवा काम कर रहा है। लेकिन देश के समाज के लिए, राष्ट्र के लिए, धर्म के लिए महात्मा लोग को तो आगे बढ़ाना होगा ना। इसीलिए मैं भारत सेवाश्रम संघ के संत, ये हमारा धर्म संकट है, वो चल रहा है, हिंदू धर्म खतरे में है, खतरे में कर रहा है, पॉलिटिकल आदमी लोग कर रहा है। इसीलिए मैं बोले थे, और इसीलिए प्रचार कर रहा है जो महाराज बीजेपी जो हिंदू धर्म के बात करेगा वही लोग को बीजेपी बना रहा है।
लेकिन महाराज जी ये बताइए, मुख्यमंत्री ने ये भी बोला है, एंड आई एम कोटिंग व्हाट ममता बनर्जी सेड, कि रजी नगर में अभी हाल ही में कुछ झड़प हुई थी, कुछ दंगे हुए थे। वो कह रही है कि वो हुआ आपकी वजह से, क्योंकि टीएमसी का जो पोलिंग एजेंट है वहां पे आपने नहीं बिठाया। क्या इसमें कुछ सच्चाई है?
मैं तो यहाँ 40 साल तक मुर्शिदाबाद में है, यहाँ तो पुलिस सुपरिटेंडेंट है, एसपी साहब है, तो एसपी साहब जो 3-4 एसपी साहब हमारे साथ हुए हैं, तो उनको साथ पूछने से, उनको रिपोर्ट लेने से तो फैसला हो जाए। वो तो चीफ मिनिस्टर है, तो मेरे तो अरेस्ट करने चाहिए, क्यों नहीं अरेस्ट किया था? तो भारत सेवाश्रम संघ जो ये काम कर रहा है, दंगों पे काम कर रहा है, हिंदू मुसलमान में काम कर रहा है, लेकिन यहाँ का जो सिटिंग एमएलए साहब हुमायूं कबीर, वो बात ओपनली मीटिंग करके बोले थे कि 70% मुर्शिदाबाद में हम लोग है, 30% हिंदू है, 2 घंटे से काट करके गंगा में भसा देंगे।
नहीं तो आप ओपन चैलेंज दे रहे हैं ममता बनर्जी को, अगर आपने दंगे फैलाया है तो आपको अरेस्ट करें।
यस।
आप ये बताइए, आपने अभी एक डेफेमेशन नोटिस भी भेजे हैं मुख्यमंत्री जी को, और आपने कहा कि 3 या 4 दिन के अंदर अगर वो वापस नहीं लेती उनके जो प्रचार थी तो आप क्रिमिनल एक्शन भी ले सकते हैं। क्या आप अड़े हुए हैं? क्योंकि मुख्यमंत्री ने ये बोला है कि उन्होंने सिर्फ 1-2 व्यक्तियों का नाम लिया है, ना कि उन्होंने इंस्टीट्यूशन का नाम लिया है।
वो कार्रवाई करेंगे। वो हमारा जो लॉयर है ना
जी,
कार्रवाई करेंगे, कानून की कार्रवाई करेंगे।
Okay. Kartik Maharaj, thank you very much for joining us.